Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Fedora Linux 43. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux 43, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser, either is same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 143 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads. Let's see, here we have the Tor Browser zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, and let's see, here we have the Tor Browser folder. Go to that. Now we have to run this file. No need to give sudo, just run // then start, then press the tab, hit enter. Wait a moment, Tor Browser will be opened. See, we got the Tor Browser. Now connect to Tor. Click on connect, or if you want to always connect automatically, select turn on this one. Okay, then click on connect. See, successfully connected. See, the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. See, we have installed Tor Browser version number 15.0. It is based on Mozilla Firefox 140. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version 15.0 on Fedora Linux 43. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.